American Girl
The
movie.
most chilling
Stop looking at Tyler.
The YouTube.
appears to
You download this app?
It's a good girl.
Stitcher.
Huh?
You can download this app
The
called
Danish
Stitcher.
prince's father is murdered by his mother and appears
And then-
after death to two royal
You can listen to
guards.
podcasts like this.
It is when his son
This one's
wakes
about
up
aliens.
one night
Where
that
they
he
have some about
finally
demons and
meets
ghosts.
the spectre. The ghost returns to exact revenge against his
No.
murderous brother.
You're in jail for a reason.
That's cool.
Sets the
This
flame
Like
in
it.
motion.
I can hear you.
Supernatural,
Both Banquo
supernatural.
and Hamlet's ghosts are
They're
used
all
for
about ghosts and
narrative
stuff.
effect in a larger story, a psychological effect that gives an eeriness to Shakespeare's work. Something grounded in the reality of psychology, yet also otherworldly.
Don't be looking at him.
While the ghost takes
Don't be looking
root
at
in
me.
Europe and the rest of the world, the young country of the United States of America, ravaged by the Revolutionary War against the British, becomes a
She knows I'm gonna let her get
haven
down.
for wandering specters of the dead. As
What do
the
you want?
war reaches
I'm
its
sick of
brutal
that.
conclusion by 1783,
What do you want?
ships still in Boston Harbor are fired upon by
Alright, here are the rules. You can get down,
newlyweds William and
but
Mary
don't bark.
are on
Okay?
a ship
Go ahead, go. Good, you can get down.
mortally
No barking.
by a cannonball hit. The dying Mary and fleeing Thomas.
Son of a bitch.
Hey, what's wrong with you?
The heartbroken
She has to know that that's why I put her up here.
That's what I have.
The remains of his wife.
I don't have a Gatorade in my hand.
No one has anything for you.
She is quickly buried in the dunes with nothing more than a piece of driftwood.
I swear to God, I'll take her back to the pound.
William pays his last respects in a strange manner
Oh,
and vows to
I'm
return
sorry.
and carry
I'm
her
sorry.
ashes
Come here, I got me.
It's your responsibility to keep her quiet now since you got her down.
never dies. Nearly 20 years later, in 1804,
No, don't come over here.
Scared.
wrecked on the island at night, as they gather their bearings, a wailing sound
Nope.
comes forth.
She thought it was a pipe bomb.
She likes Pepsi.
A figure in a red cloak materializes and drifts towards them. As she nears, they notice
okay.
blood gushing forth from her head wound. She disappears over a hill and leaves a chill in her wake. In 1891, a soldier at the newly constructed
The other monkey has to look at it.
also encounters the ghost of Mary Burton.
Oh, maybe she wants that phone in the bed or something.
She's had that today.
What?
Shh. What'd I say? No.
The civil also creates its own.
You wanna go back in timeout?
February 20th.
You're going back in timeout. Feel it.
Marks the Battle of Olustee, where Federal and Confederate armies clashed. It is the only major Civil War battle in the state. Private John Brown shoots Jerome DuPoy, both of the 7th Connecticut Infantry, in the back of the head, killing him. Accidents such as these
Haven't gotten any peace all morning.
the Civil War, and it is assumed by the company's commander,
Yeah, because of her.
Benjamin Skinner, that this is just a case. But
Stop it.
circulating amongst the soldiers tells a different story. That DuPoy was murdered
Oh, good girl.
of his own private war with Rowley.
Don't touch me.
It is so widespread that Rowley is arrested on suspicion.
Good girl.
Rowley, haggard and tired, does not sleep in his cell.
God, Jesus.
Finally, he calls the guard over. He is ready to confess to the intentional murder.
I'm happy with that, as long as she keeps her mouth shut.